Welcome to our introduction to this course of Python. Before getting into our course, we have to learn a bit about what Python is. So, without any further ado, let's move on with our presentation. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability with its use of significant whitespace and a clean, easy to understand syntax. This makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. What are the key features of Python? Readability. Python's syntax is designed to be readable and straightforward, making it easy to understand and write codes. Interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier and allows for rapid prototyping. Dynamically typed. You don't need to declare the type of variable. Python infers it at runtime. Versatile and extensible. Python can be used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, scientific computation, and more. It can also be extended with libraries written in C or C++. Large standard library. Python comes with a vast standard library that includes modules for various tasks from file I/O to web services. Community and ecosystem. Python has a large active community that contributes to a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. While Python is a powerful and versatile programming language, it does have some limitations too. Understanding these limitations is important for making informed decisions about when and how to use Python in various projects. Here are some of the key limitations of Python. Slower execution speed. Python is generally slower than compiled languages like C++ or C or C++ because it is an interpreted language. This can be a limitation for performance-critical applications. Global Interpreter Lock, which is GIL in short. Python's GIL prevents multiple native threads from executing Python bytecodes simultaneously, which can be bottleneck in CPU-bound and multi-threaded programs. Memory consumption. High memory usage. Python's dynamic typing and flexibility can lead to higher memory consumption compared to statically typed languages. This can be an issue for memory-intensive applications. Mobile and game development. Limited mobile development or support while there are frameworks like Kivy for mobile app development, Python is not the primary choice for building mobile applications. Languages like Java, Swift, and Kotlin are more commonly used for Android and iOS development. Not ideal for game development. Although libraries like Pygames exist, Python is not typically used for high-performance game development. Engines like Unity, C#, and Unreal Engine, which is C++, are more popular choices. Dependency management. Managing dependencies in Python can be challenging, especially when working on multiple projects with different dependencies. Tools like virtualenv and PyPNV help, but they are not always as seamless as package management system in other languages. Mobile and web application. Not the best for web application, while Python has powerful web frameworks like Django and Flask. It is not as dominant as JavaScript, which is Node.js, or PHP for web development. Python is often used in the backend rather than the frontend. Error handling. Runtime errors. Python's dynamic nature means many errors that would be caught at compile time in statically typed languages are only caught at real time. This can lead to runtime errors that are harder to debug and resolve. Ecosystem and libraries. limited library support for some domains. While Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries, there are still some specialized domains where library support is limited or less mature compared to other languages. Commercial support. Commercial support and licensing. In some enterprise environments, languages like commercial support and comprehensive licensing agreements like Java are preferred over Python. GUI development limitations. Although there are libraries like Tinker or Kinter, PyQt, and Kiwi, Python is the primary choice for developing complex graphical user interface, which is GUI. Other languages and frameworks like JavaFX or C# with .NET are often preferred. Despite these limitations, Python remains a highly popular and versatile programming language. Its strength in readability, simplicity, and a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks make it an excellent choice for many types of projects. However, for performance critical application, mobile development, or scenarios requiring extensive multi-threading over languages might be more suitable. Understanding these limitations help in choosing the right tool for the job and effectively utilizing Python's strength while being aware of its constraints. Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal language for beginners, while its powerful libraries and frameworks make it suitable for advanced application. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, machine learning, or automation, Python has the tool and libraries to support your project. So hope you understood everything you need to know about the basics, the idea, and the functions and limitations, and also the advantages of Python. We can move on with our classes and how you're going to get started with Python. Make sure not to skip any part of this course because this is going to be very important and most of them are going to be on codes and commands. So even if you miss a specific part, even if you mistake or do a mistake on anything, it will not run perfectly or it will not run properly. So thank you for watching this video and hope to see you guys in my first class of Python where we're going to get started with fixing up the software and also where we are going to run it.